So the craziest thing happened to me, guys. The craziest thing. So if you haven't been following Valorant Twitter ever, maybe you're not on Twitter, maybe you don't like Valorant Twitter, I don't blame you. Valorant Twitter was pretty simp heavy for a while, bro, and I contributed to that. I'm gonna be honest. I was simping a little bit, but I'm done simping for the time being. Because you know what I noticed? I noticed when I simp, I become less productive, dude. I stopped doing well in Valorant. I stopped doing work and shit. I stopped growing my channel. I start focusing on simping. And then I stopped focusing on the things that really matter, which is money, bro. Money is way better than simping, right? I can go and get food whenever I want. I can get drink whenever I want. I can buy Valorant skins whenever I want with money. Well, what can I do with simping, right? Unless your simp is successful, then you find yourself a little honey. But like, if you don't find yourself a little honey, then all you end up with is sadness, bro. And that's no fun, bro. I'd rather not simp is what I realized. I'm done with Valorant Twitter and the simp life, bro. I'm working hard on the grind now. I'm simping for the grind. YouTube video here. YouTube video there. I'm posting. I'm gonna be doing my thing. I'm gonna be moving soon. I'm excited to move, right? I'm just happy that I'm done simping. That's the moral of the story, bro. Maybe I can only get one kill in the pre-rounded DM. At least I don't simp anymore. I'm using my funny voice right now. That's my funny voice. No, I'm fucking done, dude. I'm done with Twitter. I'm done with that side of Valorant Twitter, bro. I was following all these cute girls, and now I'm following all these pro players, and my enjoyment of life has just gone up. Well, pro players are more in my field, bro. I get to experience, I get to relate to the boys now. Dude, that's where it's at, relating to the boys. Come on, man. Let me hit a headshot, bro. I just want to be like the boys. No, people are cracked at this game. Like, holy crap. You remember back in beta when everybody sucked and now everyone's just insane? It's actually like crazy to think how much everybody's changed at this point, right? I was even watching some pro clips back from like old skill capped guides because I've been going through the website trying to organize things. Like, man, pro players used to suck. Not suck, but like they used to, even coming from Counter-Strike, it was still a little rough at times, bro. Like, there were definitely a lot of whiffs back in the day. Also, have you seen what Valorant used to look like? It's been a lot of improvements. You don't see the process, right? When you're playing the game, you don't get to see all of the changes that take place in like retrospect. You see them in real time, but they don't like click with you in real time. I was in a bad spot, you know. We're not raging. As we said, we're done simping. We're just focusing on the grind. 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 Okay. I gotta change my Vandal skin. We've been using the soccer Vandal for way too many of these rants. And I think that's gonna reduce the viewer enjoyability of the rants, you know? I feel like if people are like, oh, well, this boy is a soccer Vandal one trick, they'll start watching me less. They'll be like, well, he can only use the soccer Vandal. Where I want to represent myself as a more diverse content creator. I want to diversify, you know? Include the maybe the Prime Vandal. Maybe get a little bit of the Ego Vandal, the Winter Wonderland Vandal in there, like the Reaver Vandal, Origin Vandal. I own all of those skins, by the way, not to flex. I'm not trying to flex on you. I do own all of those skins. So that's pretty cool. Is there a Smite Vandal? Is that a thing? I feel like it would be really ugly. I guess most. No, I'm gonna flex on this guy. Oh. Never mind. So I'm not wearing pants right now because I was really busy today and I forgot to record this video. We're trying to do one a day, right? And I forgot to record it. So I was like literally about to get in bed. I went to go for a good old 11 p.m. workout, right? You know, as you do, you work out at 11 p.m., which is always the better time to work out because at 11 p.m., nobody's there. You know, so it's always optimal to do it that way. Run and gun. This is not the optimal time to play DM, I can tell you that. But yeah, working out late at night is actually the feels good. I think I'm gonna do that more often. It was cool. Like you know, we got like a day of working. We worked for a long time today, and then I got to go to the gym, and that's how I finished off my day. You know, I just finished off recording a video and then going to bed. It was pretty dope. I'm kind of enjoying it right now. Enjoying the lifestyle. I've never really had a routine. I've never normally been a man for. I normally just kind of like drink soda a lot. And what I've realized lately is I think that's the problem. That's why I felt so demotivated. It was also the simping. But like the soda, it kind of kills your motivation, right? I don't know if it's a caffeine crash that's doing it or like what. It might be the caffeine crash. It's something about the soda that literally just kills it for me. Maybe it's like I just feel gross from all the sugar or something. But I just didn't want to do shit, right? So I stopped drinking soda for the last few days and I've been feeling a lot better. A lot more motivated, you know, ready to get that bread, do the work. can't hit people who are running like that, bro. Oh my god. But, you know, after I record this, I get to go to bed. And I'm gonna sleep like a fucking angel. I had a good day. I hope you had a good day. Tell me how your day is. I wanted to get more kills than this, bro. But I'm not hitting anything right now. I literally hit Immortal, and now I'm just washed. Now I'm washed. But I could keep saying that I hit Immortal, bro. You know what I hate as a newly bred Immortal? I hate when I get fucking diamonds on my team, bro. When I get these diamonds on my team, man, I just can't handle it, bro. They don't know how to play the game, man. Not like us Immortals, man. Us Immortal 10RR players, we know what's fucking up, bro. We definitely know the lifestyle. But those diamonds, bro, oh, man. I can't even, like, there's no way I was like this when I was diamond, right? Like, back in the day, there's no way I had that same problem that all these diamonds have, man. These diamonds, they literally have no idea what they're doing. It's just, like, I can't even explain it, bro. They're just so lost. Roblox Girl is cheering me on. You win those. I don't know if I do Roblox Girl. It's not looking good, Roblox Girl. I got him. That's all that matters. You know what? And that's a victory in my book. That we killed that Sky right there. No. Nice. Okay. And that's it. Thank you all for watching the video. See you in the next one.